Jumptopia Light is back together with 𝐒𝐪 Super Sprout Soy Milk. Get ready for yet another bouncy escapade as Jumptopia Light returns to Marina Square. Have a ball of a time as you navigate through the mega inflatables at Super Sprout and Belle's Soy Milk Splash and Happy's Whimsical Haven. End up your play session with a complimentary sampling of some delicious 𝐒𝐪 Super Sprout Soy Milk and enjoy the nutritious goodness of 3 awesome flavors: 𝐒𝐪 Original, Chatterbox Chocolate, and Sassy Strawberry. Don't miss your chance to participate in an exclusive 𝐒𝐪 giveaway as well. Come jump into the fun here at Jumptopia Light with 𝐒𝐪's Super Sprout Soy Milk at Marina Square Atrium this June holidays. See you here!